this Christmas is the last one. You stressing about money. Just hear me out. So, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Sade, a normal stay at home mommy who was tired of preying on one income, tired of stretching that one income. I used to choose between groceries and buying a gift for my boy. And you know what? The saddest thing is, I never could have buy him the specific toy that he really want. And on top of that, he used to ask me, why is daddy always at work? And that crushed me. And I didn't want our future to look like that. I didn't want my boy to have this image of his father that he's never home, he's always at work. So I learned a simple digital system, keep 100% of the profit, working just 2 hours a day as a stay at home mommy. So I start with one digital product and start following a system that's already working, start learning the skills how to attract a perfect customer to me, my perfect customer to me, start making daily payments from my phone and around my family, not away from them. You don't need any qualifications, you don't need any tech skills, you don't need any marketing background, just your phone 2 hours a day and the willingness to follow and learn and be coachable. My friend, if you want this Christmas to be the year that everything changes, put a word me in my comment and I would love to send you my Freedom Formula Blueprint.